Windsor, Mendocino County Superintendent of Schools. I'm here with Tammy Mee, our Adult Program Manager, to talk about our adult programs. Tammy, can you tell us what programs we offer?
Yes, we currently have medical assisting training, dental assisting training, and phlebotomy assistant training.
And what makes these programs unique?
They're unique in that they're the only programs offered in our county that are in-person, hands-on, clinical, and classroom training that offer certifications where students can get trained and then go straight into employment.
And these are tuition-based programs, so if somebody can't afford the tuition, are there options for them?
There are options. There are scholarships currently available to assist with funding for medical assistant and dental assistant training, as well as agencies such as Career Point Mendocino that are a federally funded employment and training program, which offer financial assistance to students. And we also often work with our local tribal community as well as other community agencies.
And to find out more about the programs or scholarship opportunities, how should people contact you?
They can contact us directly by either stopping in or calling our office. They can download all of our information off our website, or they may see us out in the community as we often work with Mendocino College, and we do career fairs and work very closely with our schools as well.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.